Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 10 questions for TGT PGT English Literature. So let's start. Question number 1. Prospero figures in. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Tempest. Option A. Prospero is the main character in the Tempest. He is the Duke of Milan, who was overthrown by his brother Antonio 15 years before the start of the play and cast adrift in a boat with his baby daughter Miranda. During those 15 years, he studied and taught himself how to do magic. Next question, question number 2. Shakespeare used prose for. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be comic scenes. Option A will be the right answer. Next question, question number 3. Question number 3. Dunciad was written by. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Pope. Option B will be the right answer. The Dunciad poem by Alexander Pope, first published anonymously in 3 books in 1728. By 1743, when it appeared in its final form, it had grown to 4 books written largely in iambic pentameter. The poem is a masterpiece of mock heroic verse. Next question, question number question number 4. Ulysses' son was. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Telemachus. Option B will be the right answer. Telemachus is the son of Odysseus and Penelope. His father left Telemachus to fight in the Trojan War. Many years later, Telemachus left Ithaca to search for his father. Next question, question number 5. Flat character is associated with. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Iliad. Option A will be the right answer. Next question, question number 6. The manuscripts of Shakespeare's plays are available. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be no. Option B will be the right answer. With the possible exceptions of a few pages of Sir Thomas More, a play that Shakespeare may have helped write. No manuscripts of Shakespeare's survive. The only certain evidence we have of his handwriting is his signature. Next question, question number 7. The two great poets of Victorian era were. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Tennyson and Browning. Option C will be the right answer. The two great Victorian poets, Alfred Tennyson and Robert Browning, We shall not only discuss the age in which they wrote, but also some of their select poems for critical appreciation. Next question, question number 8. Who wrote Eminent Victorians? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Strachey. Option C will be the right answer. Eminent Victorians, collection of short biographical sketches by Lytton Strachey, published in 1918. Next question number 9. John Steinbeck got the Nobel Prize in. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 1962. Option A will be the right answer. John Ernest Steinbeck, February 27, 1902, December 20, 1968, was an American writer. He won the 1962 Nobel Prize in Literature for his realistic and imaginative writings, combining as they do sympathetic humor and keen social perception. He has been called a giant of American letters. Next question number 10. The New Atlantis was written by. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Bacon. Option C will be the right answer. New Atlantis is a utopian novel by Sir Francis Bacon. In this work, Bacon portrayed a vision of the future of human discovery and knowledge, expressing his aspirations and ideals for humankind. So, friends, I hope you enjoyed learning about 10 questions. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.